Visiativ UK and Ireland are an authorised SOLIDWORKS Platinum rated reseller, offering software, training and award-winning technical support. The organisation has been established since 1987. Visiativ supports over 25,000 customers worldwide. What software and solutions are covered by your technical support? Visiativ UK and Ireland supports a wide range of Dassault systems and Visiativ digital solutions, including SOLIDWORKS and engineering tools, and Visiativ Software Solutions. How can I contact Visiativ UK and Ireland technical support? There are three main ways to reach the technical support team. You can phone us, you can email us, or you can start a support ticket through our website. What response time can I expect? When you call our support line during operating hours, you will be connected directly to a knowledgeable UK-based applications engineer who is ready to assist you immediately. If you choose to log a case via email or web chat, your inquiry is automatically assigned to an engineer without delay, ensuring prompt attention and timely follow-up. What makes Visiativ support different? Visiativ UK and Ireland are distinguished by commitment to service excellence, underpinned by Platinum level SOLIDWORKS support accreditation, a fully UK-based team of certified applications engineers providing reliable, consistent expertise across all supported solutions, real-time remote troubleshooting where our engineers can securely access your system, typically via TeamViewer, to diagnose and resolve issues with maximum efficiency, and comprehensive access to technical resources, including guides, tutorials, best practice workflows, and productivity enhancing CAD automation tools. What's the main benefit to my business? We take the time to understand your operations, your challenges, and your goals. Our aim is to build genuine, long-standing relationships. Many of our customers know us on a first-name basis, and we pride ourselves on becoming a true partner rather than just a support provider. Visiativ ensures your engineering operations run smoothly and efficiently, enabling your teams to focus on what they do best: designing, innovating and delivering outstanding products.